Hair oils that don't work? There's a reason for that. While most brands dilute their formulas with water, InspireMist is 100% active ingredients. We use cold-pressed oils like castor and moringa to preserve every nutrient your hair needs to grow thick and healthy. With anti-breakage proteins and vitamins, InspireMist strengthens your strands from the inside out. InspireMist isn't just another Elite's hair science in a bottle. Goodbye shedding, hello stronger, fuller hair. Loved by over 10,000 and happy customers. Don't settle for less. Click below to get InspireMist today.